In the beginning, there was a wheel. And for millions of years, we've been reaping the benefits of our spinning circular friend. But as time ticked on, we started reinventing the wheel by eliminating it completely. Rotary phones lost the spinny wheel to become smartphones. Reel-to-reel film cameras became digital video cameras. And record players, tape players, and CD players evolved into touchscreen digital music players, ditching the spinny things in favor of hard drives. Each iteration smaller, faster, and more reliable than the last, as the vicious cycle of dials and knobs whirled to a stop. Yet somehow our old friend the hard drive spins on, its rotating plate spinning faster and louder with every mouse click, only able to read and write data as fast as it can churn. Now imagine a company with seas of computers generating mountains of data that needs to be stored and read thousands of times a day. That's a lot of waiting, a lot of space, and a lot of wasted energy. So why not ditch the spinny wheel? Why not rely instead on flash-based storage, that same magical fairy dust that revolutionized your smartphone, but so much faster and more powerful? With flash storage, the rules change. It's like an extra day of the week, a day you can use to finally take that leap to the utmost level of awesome. Data is written and accessed up to 100 times faster, computers rev up, and footprints of server farms shrink to more like server gardens. This frees up time, money, and real estate to do today what you were going to do tomorrow, and do tomorrow all the things that weren't possible yesterday. We shouldn't waste time spinning in circles when 90% of the world's data was created in just the last few years, and the pace is still accelerating. All that data needs to go somewhere. The only sensible solution to combat this glut is revolutionary flash storage technology that will make business and our lives better in a flash.